Ladies and gentlemen, this is affordable technology for Africans, Afritech Innovation Solutions, and I'm bringing you how to solve programming solutions, data structures and algorithms using ChatGPT. Wow! So we see here we have our code from LeetCode, and given two strings s and t of length m and n respectively, return the minimum window substring of s such that every character in t includes duplicates. Including duplicates is included in the window. If there is no such substring, return the empty string. The test cases will be generated such that the answer is unique. Now we have our example. We have two strings. We have string s, then we have string t. So we want to get substrings. Yeah, the minimum window substring of s, such that every character in t is included in the substring of s. But you see this one a, d, or b, something like that. So when we get the substring, it is b, a, n, c. This is where we find that all the substrings are located there. You see, it is only where we have b, a, b, c. So we have b, a, c. Other substrings we have a, d, o, we have b, e, c, which doesn't have, we have c, o, d, we could have ANC, but because there is no B, so this is the minimum substring. It includes A, B, and C from string T. We have another input like S, and we have S is A and T is A. The output is A. The entire string S is the minimum window. Example 3, we have A, then we have here AA. So we have the output as nothing because we don't have the substring of t, that a substring of s that contains t. And this is how we are going to write our code in Java, and we want it to appear here. So I'm gonna copy this stuff, all of it with the constraints, copy, and look for ChatGPT new and paste it there. Paste. Then I say implement with the Java. Insert comments. So wash. Is a problem with ChatGPT. I don't know why. Something happened. Maybe. Okay, let's wait. So it is ready, and it is bringing us an explanation. First, create a hash map to store the frequency of characters in T. Initialize the 2 pointers left and right to the beginning of S. Then initialize 2 variables formed, and while formed equals n and length of T, do the following: decrement the frequency, decrement the right to expand the window, and repeat from step 4. So as you basically see, our code string minimum window, let me see, yeah, public string minimum window. String S, string T. So what I'm going to do is I'll copy from here and I paste in the lit code and see, try to run, pending, judging, exactly. So my code is right, and actually when you want to see the explanation, we use the hash map and implement insert comments. I don't know why it didn't implement, don't know why it didn't insert comments. Let me first see here, insert comments, I don't know why, but we can see how our program is divided into. So let me put it again, because I think we had challenges with the network. Insert comments in the code. So it's gonna do it with us, for us. Yeah, insert comments in the code. So it's gonna do it. Yeah, it's gonna do it. It has not wasted time. So you're basically seeing what ChatGPT is doing. Okay. So, how does this algorithm work? It creates a hash map, store the characters and their frequencies in T, then it creates variables to keep track of the minimum window substring, including starting and ending indices, its length and characters, and their frequencies that still need to be included in the window. It iterates through S using 2 pointers left and right to find the minimum window substring. If the current character in T decrement, if the current character is in T, decrement its frequency in the hash map and update the count of remaining characters to be included in the window. If the count is 0, we have found a valid window, then update the minimum length and reset accordingly. Increment the left pointer and update the hash map and count as necessary. Return the minimum window substring. The time complex of this algorithm is omega mn plus n, where m is the length of S and n is the length of T, since we iterate through S and T once each, and the hash map operations are constant time. So I can get this code that is a bit commented and take it up there. Yeah, because you see now, very soon programmers are going to make something that's going to kill them. You see that? Programmers have created a software that is going to make them jobless. You see that? You are a programmer and they tell you to program such a software that can easily and quickly replace you. Yeah, because I think with companies that have been using about 10 people because thinking through writing all this code, you actually need like 10 people, because you find each person is creating a line of code. But now you find here you have only one person writing the code. No, okay, you have like 2 and you have half of the number. So you get me? And that's how programmers have created something that is going to make them jobless, going to replace them. But no wonder. We don't give up, because we program softwares and some of them are to make us jobless, some of them are to give us jobs. And I think that's how I can show you our code has run and I've